Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to be covering the introduction to the leaf method. This is used to find ways to simplify numbers, to add, subtract, and simplify square roots, finding the least common denominator, and greatest common factor. Now, the first step is basically dividing the number that they give you by the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17. So, for example, they tell you to find the prime numbers of 100. So, what are you going to do? You're going to divide by which of these numbers is divisible by 100. 100 is divisible by what? 2 and 5. It doesn't matter which one you choose. I'll choose 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. 20 is divisible into which of these numbers? Again, 5 and 2. I'll choose 5 again. That becomes 4. 4 is divisible into 2 times, and 2 is divisible by 2 one time. So we'll check whether we did the math correctly. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 5 is 100. We did it correctly. So the prime factorization of 100 is basically 5 times 5 times 2 times 2. And if you think about it, that's an additional method, an additional use for using the leaf method. Okay, let's do 36. 36 is divisible by 2, or 3, but I'll use 2 this time. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. Notice on the right-hand side, I'm only using these numbers here. This says divide by prime numbers. I do not use any other number that is not a prime number on my right-hand side. We'll check it. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36. So we did the math correctly. Now if they ask you what is the prime factorization of 36, it's basically 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, notice we have the prime factorization of 100, 36, and let's try 48 together. 48 is divisible into which of those numbers? We could say 2. How many times? 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3 or by 2. I'll choose 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So what is the prime factorization of 48? It is 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. So an additional prime factorization. An additional use for the leaf method is prime factorization. Okay, we'll stop there and we'll come back for another lesson.